This is week 6 of working on my VW Campervan every single day until she's ready to hit the road. Working on the intro a little bit, getting things a little bit more professional here. I got to be quick about today because I'm about to go visit some family for the holidays. So let me go over everything that we've done in week 6 of working every single day. This is going over days 30 through 35. We actually started off the week by working on my Jeep, which is still running good. Happy to say the repair has worked phenomenal. She's my daily driver and she's working. That's the important part. She's working. So I can get to and from work, I can get to and from the store. Everything's great. So okay. So in the next few days, we had kind of been inside because of a lot of rain and bad stuff, and you can kind of see outside it's really foggy right now, extremely foggy everywhere. So I'm kind of stuck inside a little bit as well. I can still do some stuff out by the bus, but I've kind of been confined inside because the next steps have really just been sandblasting a ton of stuff. And that's about what we did. We prepped everything for sandblasting, and I've gotten a little bit farther ahead in the past. In the week ahead, I've gotten a little bit farther through the process of cleaning them up. I got them painted. All the parts that you have seen me clean up and grind and sandblast and everything in that past week, I'm staring at them right now. They are drying right there. You know what? These weekly kind of long form videos are about spoiling you guys anyways. I gotta give y'all that little bit of excitement. So here is what those parts actually look like. They are really freaking pretty. I've got them hanging up here, all drying. They are already dry. You can see, man, they're shiny. Woo! They're looking really good. So these guys, we cleaned off. I got them painted. I'll go over that whole painting procedure as well. I'm really excited to share how I end up getting this so mirror finish here. Look, you can kind of see me, can you? You should be able to see me. You can see my shirt a little bit. Can you see me wave? The light's kind of weird. Anyways, these guys, extremely nice. I'm so glad, so excited how those came out. And then this week we've kind of been playing around with some map gas. I got this not too long ago, and this actually right here, this guy doesn't seem like much, but this is going to help us do a ton of things. It's going to help us loosen up some of these bolts out here. I was kind of giving this another shot. Actually need to put this away, but trying to get this brake caliper off and the other one as well over there. But I was giving this a shot. I hadn't put any flame to it just because I just got home with this guy. But this thing doesn't seem like much. This is the first thing I have bought with donation money. If you don't know, I have a Buy Me a Coffee account. I'll leave that in the description. If you want to donate to the project and help me get tools to help Green running and parts and whatever, I don't spend any of that money on myself. I spend it on Green here. All of this stuff goes towards the project. So if you do want to donate, I'll leave that in the description. Thank you in advance because that's crazy. Anybody would want to throw money at me. I'm currently working on a merch store as well. That's something I have in the works. So if you don't want to donate just yet, you can wait and possibly get like a t-shirt, a hat, something. I'm actually working with my sister on some cool designs, so I'm excited to do that literally this afternoon. I'm gonna get to see her, and that's gonna be a lot of fun that we're gonna have. Some other stuff I've been just prepping before we leave. A lot of sandblasted parts, stuff getting ready for these guys to be bolted on to the front suspension, this guy to pack here, and I'll show you something really cool. I'm not gonna say who it's from. These guys right here, bang bang, some really cool people from a really cool parts store sent these to me. I'll be making an official video about that sometime this week, but I made an announcement on Christmas Day. We got sponsored, you guys. Really freaking excited for that. It just everything's been so like go 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 go, and I haven't really had time to process. Like this is kind of like younger me's dream of making videos and like working with companies on sponsorships and stuff like that. Like it makes me feel a lot more professional. It makes me feel like I'm actually doing something worthwhile. And of course, I know my dreams are worthwhile, but just to share this with you guys and y'all actually enjoy it, because I could throw this out into the world and nobody, care. Because like, why would you, right? I mean, I'm just some dude. Yeah, I've got a cool car, but like, why me? Why me? Um, I'm not going to answer that because I have absolutely no idea. I've just kind of thrown myself out here, and all of this great thing, all of this great stuff's happening, and it's thanks to you guys for hanging around. So I, over the moon, I appreciate you guys. That is pretty much all we've done from day 30 to 35. Was we worked on my Jeep, we prepped some stuff for paint. We did actually we did do some sanding on the front top area. I showed you guys that a little bit last week. It hasn't changed all that much, but the videos still aren't caught up on the short form, but I'll still show you guys this. I think this is really cool. The whole primed front section here, I do need to go back over it again because I did miss a few spots, some like haze and whatnot, and some in there. And I do need to go over it with light sanding. Some neighborhood cats have been kind of pawing around a little bit. You can see a little paw print there. So I need to wipe it down, sand it a little bit, just to kind of rough it up. And then I want to shoot another coat of the primer over top of this. It really helped get things nice and solid. You can kind of see a little bit of rust showing up in the channels right there as well. Ugh, excuse me, I got the hiccups. You can see some rust showing up in the channels there a little bit. Just some spots that I missed. A lot of surface rust, nothing crazy. Again, just a light sanding over and then this epoxy primer. This is crazier than I could ever imagine it turning out. Whenever whenever I cut out the floor, I kind of was just like, just do it. Shut up, brain. Stop thinking and just do it. You know how to do it. Just cut the spot welds out and you can seam a new floor in later. Like that's the later problem. It's terrifying doing a lot of this stuff. And my best advice, if you're looking for advice, just shut your brain off and do it. Just do it. Because you're going to mess up. Things are going to happen. But like you're not going to be able to figure out how to move forward until you start moving forward. Super excited about all of this progress that we've made. Everything under here is awesome as well. A little bit of a spoiler. We got some more stuff on here. I still need to get the keepers done here. Like there's so much like tiny little bits of bobs and all of your uncles, whatever. But things are coming together here. I don't want to talk about like, oh, the success of the channel and everything, because like it's me showing videos to my friends, you guys. That's all me making the videos is. I'm sharing my journey with you guys, hopefully to inspire y'all. But at the same time, like I like having friends, dog. Y'all my friends. I gotta show my friends. I'm excited about this stuff. It's like this is my passion. This is what I want to do. I want to build vans. There's the stupid engine. Like I love doing this stuff, and it's really cool to me. I'm trying to find people that think the same way as me, and the internet's the biggest net to cast into. So, friends, thank you for watching this. I have to go soon. We're meeting my sister for some din din, and then we're going to be traveling. We are going to end it here. So don't forget to go work on your own project and follow to see me turn this bus into a mean green van life machine, baby. Okay, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.